Hey guys, Kitchen Counter Talks, where every kitchen counter tells a story. So here's mine today, and we're at a level, crazy, freaking messy, but lots of beautiful stuff going on. So I have some extra milk that I'm making some queso fresco, and so that's doing its thing right there. I've got some more extra milk I got to figure out what to do with. I have some chickens in the crock pot. I'm making carnitas, so this is my brine that I made. I have the recipe at 𝗶𝗶𝘁𝗪𝙗𝙗𝙗, and over here is I don't even know how much meat is in there that I've got to cut up into pieces to get in that brine overnight. So I'm excited about that. It's one of our family favorites. I have some breadcrumbs I need to finish smashing up. I just took a loaf of my sourdough sandwich bread and broke it up by hand, and then kind of just been drying it out in the oven a little bit, really low temperature. So I just need to finish smashing to make breadcrumbs. I'm making some butter this morning, so I'm just letting it drain. So some delicious raw organic butter sitting there for me. Coffee in the coffee pot. Ground up a bunch of coffee, as you can see here. Ground up a bunch of coffee right there, so to have that on hand. I only use organic coffee. I've got my starter, and yes, it says lemon drink on there, but it's actually my sourdough starter. This little thing here keeps my coffee grounds to go out in the compost. And then we've got some fresh goodies from the garden on the counter here and over here as well. So I've already blanched and froze 6 cauliflower and broccoli heads this morning. So I think maybe I'm going to use these tomatoes to make a small batch of dragon fart salsa. And if you've never had that, it's delicious. I've got lots of bread. I'm actually having to store them in these bags here because I've got the bread box full of honey sourdough rolls, and I've got a couple sourdough sandwich loaves there. So we've got some fun stuff going on in the kitchen tomorrow, just trying to get it done. I made overnight sourdough pancakes that are just the best. So I made a double batch of those, and I was able to put them in the fridge. So that's what I've got going on. Show me and tell me what's going on in your counters.